Good morning, my dear children. I hope you had a great weekend and you have enjoyed your holidays for 2 days. So children, let's start our class with new energy. Today is turn of our English class, and in that I'm going to teach you reading and recognition of alphabet A to Z. Then we will learn phonetic sounds till A to N, and I will teach you two sounds today of letters O and P. And then I will teach you to write capital O and P in your notebook. And today also we will learn a new rhyme, which is Little Tommy Tucker. So children, let's start our learning. Children, now let's learn capital and small alphabet together. A. See, capital A, small a. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Now comes B. This is capital B and small b. B for ball. Yes, you can see a colorful ball, and B for bat to play with it. Now comes C. This is capital C and small c. C for cat and C for crow. This is D, capital D and small d. D for dog and D for drum. Here comes E, capital E and small e. E for egg and E for elephant. This is F, capital F and small f. F for fish and F for frog. This is G, capital G and small g. G for grapes and G for goat. Here comes H, capital H and small h. H for hat, H for hen. This is capital I and small I. I for ice cream and I for ink pot. J. This is capital J and small j. J for jug and J for joker. Children, this is capital K and this is small k. K for kite and K for king. Capital L and small l. L for leaf. L for lion. This is capital M. And here comes small m. M for man and M for monkey. Capital N and small n. N for nose, N for nest. Now comes capital O and small o. O for orange and O for octopus. This is capital P and small p. P for pencil, P for parrot. This is capital Q and small q. Q for queen and Q for quilt, matlab rajai. Children, this is capital R and here comes small r. R for ribbon and R for rabbit. This is capital S and small s. S for soap. S for sunflower. Capital T and small t. T for table and T for tree. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella and U for utensils. This is V. V and this is small v. V for van. V for vase. This is capital W and small w. W for watch. W for whale. This is X and small x. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Children, the last alphabet is capital Z and small z. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Children, now it's time to revise and learn sounds of the letters A to N. So you also repeat it with me. A says A. A says A. B says B. B says B. C says K. The sound of C is K. D says D. The sound of D is D. E. E says Eh. The sound of E is Eh. F says F. F says F. The sound of F is F. G. G says G. The sound of G is G. H. H says H. The sound of H is H. This is I. I says I. The sound of I is I. This is J. J says J. The sound of J is J. This is K. K says K. The sound of K is again K, and this K is kicking K. This is L. L says L. L says L. Tongue will go up. L says L. The sound of L is L. M. M says M. says Now comes N. N says Tongue will roll and go up, and then it will says N says Now children, today I will teach you two more sounds. After N comes O. O says O. O for orange, O for ox, O for ostrich. So, can you hear the sound which is coming from the word which is starting with the letter O? O says O. O for orange, O for ostrich, O for ox. O says O. Now the next letter is P. The sound of P is P. P says P. P for parrot, P for peacock. P says P. The sound of P is P. You also repeat it with me. P says P. O says O. P says P. Children, in this way you have to learn the sounds of the letters A to P. Learn it the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you to write capital O and P. But before writing O, let's see the things which start with letter O. Look here, O for ostrich. You also speak with me. O for ostrich, O for owl, O for ox, O for onion, O for orange. See, there are so many things which start with letter O. See, these animal, this is ox, these two birds, their name also start with the letter O. Again, you also repeat with me. O. O for ostrich, O for owl, O for ox, O for onion, O for orange. And the sound of O is O. After O comes P. Look here. Now see, look at these pictures which start with the letter P. P for parrot, P for pen, P for pear, P for peacock, P for pot, P for puppy, P for plate. And P for, what is this? P for path. Path matlab rasta. Okay, so children, see, there are so many things which start with letter P. Let's say them again. P for parrot, P for peacock, our national bird, P for pear, P for pen, P for pot, P for puppy, P for plate, and P for path. And the sound of P is P, which you have learned today. Okay, children. So now let's start our writing. How we will write O and P? Children, first two blocks we will write O, and the next three blocks we will write capital P. See how we are going to start it? From the red line, put your pencil on the red line and then make a semicircle till the second blue line, and then again go upward and then touch the red line from where you have started. In this way you have to write capital O. Again, make a semicircle, don't remove your hand, go upward and complete the circle. In this way you have to write capital O. Finish these two lines of your page and then come to the third line. Here you have to write capital P. First make a standing line, remove your hand, go back to the point where you have started, put your pencil there and then make a ulta C like this till the first blue line. Like this you have to write capital P. Like this, children. In this way you have to write. Now I will teach you in your notebook. And today you will write capital O and capital P in the same page. Okay, so 2 capital letters a day. So now, first of all, we will write today's date. Today is 28th September. Write this. You have to write in this page 28.9.2020. Now, from the first line, first 2 lines, we will write O and next 3 lines capital P. So how you will write capital O? Look here, children. Put your pencil on the dot on the top line, top red line, and then make a semicircle and then again go up and complete it and touch from where you have started. Join that dot. Again, pencil on the dot, make a semicircle or C, but don't remove your hand and go up and then again join the dot. In this way you have to write O. O for orange, O for ostrich, O for owl. This is O. In this way you have to write, touch the second blue line also, children, and start from the red line, go till the second blue line and then come up and then touch the red line. Like this you have to write O. See. Children, now see, we are on the second line and last 2 blocks are left. From the dot you have to make a semicircle and then you have to go up again and touch the dot. In this way you have to make O. Now see, we have finished 2 lines. Now we are on capital P. How you will write capital P? Start from the top red line, make a standing line and then remove your hand. Then again go to the top line from where you have started. Then make a small semicircle, ulta C, like this, within the first blue line. From red to blue line, first blue line. देखो ऐसे लिखना है. Standing line, remove your hand. Then again go to the red line and then make a ulta C till the first blue line. Touch it. In this way you have to write capital P. In this way, children, I hope you will be able to write 2 letters in one page. Standing line and then ulta C, like this. Children, now see, we are on the last line of this page in which you have to write capital P. First you have to make a standing line, then go back to the top red line and then make a ulta C from red line to the second blue line, like this, and then join the standing line like this. This is the correct way to write capital P, children. Children, today I taught you to write 2 capital letters in one page. In this way, in the same manner, you have to write and send its picture to me. Children, today I am going to teach you a new rhyme, Little Tommy Tucker, and it is on page number 12 of your rhymes book 1 to 12. Children, look at this picture. What you see here? There is a boy, his name is Little Tommy Tucker. इसका नाम क्या है? Tommy Tucker. और ये क्या है? ये छोटा है, ये little है height में. और ये क्या करता है? So let's know about him through this rhyme. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. तो ये कौन है? ये है लिटिल टॉमी टकर. और ये क्या करता है? ये गाना गाता है. जैसे आपके पापा काम करते हैं ना अपनी अर्निंग के लिए, वैसे ही ये जो टॉमी टकर है ये क्या करता है? गाना गा के पैसे कमाता है. अब ये क्या खाएगा? What shall he eat? He will eat white bread and butter. ये white bread खाएगा और butter खाएगा. और जब ब्रेड पे बटर लगा लेगा तो how shall he cut it? उसको कट कैसे करेगा? With a big knife. इसके पास एक बड़ा सा नाइफ है, उससे ये इसको कट कर देगा ब्रेड बटर को. Who shall he share with? अब ये किसके साथ खाना शेयर करेगा? हमें हमेशा शेयर करके खाना खाना चाहिए ना. तो ये जो इसकी जो वाइफ है ये तो छोटा है, लेकिन इसकी वाइफ कैसी है? बिग है और फैट है. फैट मतलब थोड़ी मोटी भी है. तो विद हिज बिग फैट वाइफ ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड मैन. ये अपने हर चीज़ को शेयर करता है, तो ये अपने खाने को भी शेयर करेगा. लेट्स रीड दिस राइम अगेन. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. So children, in this way you have to read this rhyme. Now let's recite it with actions. Children, now let's recite the rhyme Little Tommy Tucker with actions. You also recite it with me. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Whom shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Let's recite it again. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Whom shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Children, learn the rhyme the way I taught you. Make your videos on it and send them to me.